Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by organizing footage and matching sequence settings so your grade translates correctly. Next, open Lumetri scopes. You need waveform for exposure and parade for color balance. Apply an adjustment layer above your cuts so changes stay non-destructive. This lets you tweak later. Then perform primary corrections. Use basic correction to set white balance, adjust exposure and contrast until skin tones land in the parade. Once done, lock your primary pass before moving to creative looks to avoid compounding errors. With primary set, apply a LUT or creative preset as a starting point, but reduce intensity so the effect remains controllable. Then refine with curves and color wheels. Tweak shadows to add depth, boost mids for presence, lift highlights carefully to preserve detail. For selective adjustments, add Lumetri masks and track motion. Use feathered masks to avoid hard edges. Make sure to check scopes while pushing colors. This prevents clipping and keeps skin tones natural as you craft the cinematic mood. Finish by balancing contrast and adding subtle sharpening or film grain on the adjustment layer to unify texture. Convert or confirm your export color space. Export for Rec. 709 unless specified otherwise, so colors remain consistent on delivery platforms. Before exporting, scrub through the timeline and toggle the grade to compare with the original. If you see clipping or crushed blacks, reduce overall gain or use highlight/shadow recovery in Lumetri. If color shifts appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.